Hello, my dear students. Welcome to Silverline Books by Turning Point Publishing House. This is Achal, your educator and friend, and we are going to take up My Green World for class 3. Okay, so we are going to begin with Unit 2 of our books, that is going to be about our body, right? हम अपनी body के बारे में जानेंगे, and in chapter number 2, we'll study about the parts of our body. Clear? So, name the parts of your body that you can see. आपकी body के कुछ parts हैं जो आप देख सकते हैं and कुछ parts ऐसे होते हैं हमारी body के जिन्हें हम ऊपर से देख नहीं सकते, right? So, let's see this picture here. यहाँ पे आपको बहुत सारे body parts given हैं. This is your head, right? This is forehead. Then you can see ear. This part is your neck. Here is the shoulder. Then this is the hand and this is known as the thumb. Clear? It is known as thumb. Then this is called the thigh. This is foot. These are toes. जो हमारे पैरों की उंगलियां होती हैं उन्हें हम toes कहते हैं. These are legs, knees, stomach, right? Arm, elbow. This joint here is known as elbow. Then we have fingers, lips, teeth, nose, eyes. So all these parts, children, you can see from the outside. आपको ये सब बाहर से नजर आ रहे हैं. That is why all these parts are known as external parts of the body, right? So your body is made up of different parts. We all know that. और जो हर part होता है, every part of our body is designed to do some specific tasks, to do some special tasks. So you can see your head, eyes, nose, lips, skin, neck, chest, abdomen, arms and legs. So these are called the external parts of our body. जो parts हमें दिखते हैं, they are known as the external parts of the body, right? Then I've already shown you the parts of the body shown here. Now how we use our limbs. What are limbs, children? जो हमारी arms होती हैं और legs होती हैं, they are known as limbs, right? So our arms and legs together are known as limbs. Our limbs have several parts as shown in the picture. We have already seen that our limbs. So when we talk about arms, so क्या-क्या part है हमारे arms के? We have elbow, hand, fingers, wrist, right? These are parts of the arm. And when we talk about legs, legs are also limbs. Legs के क्या parts हैं? Thigh है, foot है, toes है, knees हैं, right? They are all part of our legs. Clear? So in limbs का काम क्या होता है? How do they help us? Our limbs help us to do different things. We can do different actions, move from one place to another, hold things and move, right? Move on. So हम जो ये सारे काम करते हैं वो किसकी मदद से करते हैं? चलना किसकी मदद से करते हैं? पैरों की मदद से करते हैं. हम अगर कोई हैंड से वर्क कर रहे हैं, so it is because of our arms. तो हमारे जो arms और legs हैं ये बहुत सारे काम करने में हमारी मदद करते हैं. They help to move from one place to another, hold things, writing. They're all done with the help of our limbs. There are over 200 bones in our body and more than 600 muscles. Just imagine, children, in this body we have more than 200 bones. Almost 206 bones are there in an adult body. And there are more than 600 muscles. और ये जो muscles हैं bones के ऊपर, about 600 muscles हैं हमारी body में जो हमें काम करने में help करती हैं. Without them, our body would be shapeless and unable to move. अगर हमारी ये bones और muscles नहीं होंगी तो क्या होगा? हमारी body सिर्फ एक mass का heap होगा, right? हमारा जो structure है body का, that is because of bones and muscles, right? अगर bones और muscles ही नहीं होंगे, our body would be shapeless. एंड इट विल बी अनेबल टू मूव, हम मूव भी नहीं कर पाएंगे, राइट? हम एक सिर्फ ढेर होंगे मास का, और उसके अलावा हमारे पास और कोई शेप या चलने की क्षमता नहीं होगी. नाउ चिल्ड्रन, nearly half the bones in our body are in our hands and feet. हमारी बॉडी में जितनी बोन्स हैं उसकी हाफ, ऑलमोस्ट हाफ अगर हम बात करें, बोन्स हमारे हैंड्स और फीट के अंदर हैं, राइट? देयर आर सो मेनी बोन्स. सी, दिस इज द skeleton of a hand. This is humerus. This is entire arm. This is humerus. This is elbow. This elbow joint. Then we have radius, ulna. Then thumb, wrist. Here, this is the feet, right? This is the structure of feet. We have fibula, tibia, talus, navicular, calcaneus, medial cuneiform, metatarsals. Then we have phalanges, right? And this part is known as tarsus, right? So this is just to show you kids that there are so many bones inside these arms and legs that we have, right? So you don't have to study about them in detail, as you'll be doing that in your senior classes, right? This is just to show that there are so many bones present in our arms and legs. Then there is a small activity for you children. Take the picture that shows the things our hands help us to do. यहाँ हमें कुछ pictures given हैं, उसमें से हमें सिर्फ वो pictures take करनी है जिसमें हमारे hands का use होता है, right? So let's look at the first picture here. What is this little baby doing? He is coloring, right? And for coloring, do you use your hands? Yes, we do. So let's take it, right? This boy here is writing something. So is he using his hands? Yes. Take it. This little girl, she is running on the beach, right? Is she using her hands? No, she's using her legs to run. No. This girl is carrying a pile of books. Yes, she's using her hands. Then this boy is kicking the football. Is he using his hands? No. This boy is eating. Yes, for eating we use our hands. Let's take this. This girl is jumping high, right? For jumping we use our legs, not our hands. And this woman here is brushing her teeth, and yes, we use our hands to do that. Let's take that, right? Now we have certain pictures. We have to take only those that show our legs, show the things that legs help us to do, right? यहाँ पर हमने जो hands की मदद से काम होता है उनको टिक किया था. Here we are going to do take the things that we do with our legs. So this boy here, you see, is combing his hair. So is he using his legs to do that? No. This girl is dancing. Yes, for dancing we use our legs, right? This girl here, what is she doing? Yeah, she is skipping, and for that we certainly need our legs. For washing hands, no, we do not need our legs for that. Then we have this boy here is playing football, right? He's kicking the ball and he needs his legs to do that. This boy is lying down and reading. No, he's not using his legs. This boy is walking. Yes, his legs are being used. And this boy is hiking, right? So, yes, he's also using his legs. This boy is, we can say he's standing. For standing also you have to use your legs. Clear? Now children, an important fact for you, sometimes due to an accident or an illness, people lose a limb. कभी कभी क्या होता है, कभी किसी का कोई एक्सीडेंट हो जाता है या फिर कोई और प्रॉब्लम, कोई और बीमारी की वजह से किसी का एक लिम्ब, एक या दो लिम्स कट जाते हैं या खराब हो जाते हैं, राइट? दे आर नो लॉन्गर इन यूज. कभी कभी किसी की आर्म्स कट जाती हैं किसी एक्सीडेंट में या फिर लिम्स खराब हो जाते हैं, राइट? सो समटाइम्स पीपल लूज देयर लिम्स. द मिसिंग आर्म और लेग कैन बी रिप्लेस्ड बाय एन आर्टिफिशियल लिम्ब. और अगर ऐसा होता है तो वो जो किसी का जो आर्म या लेग मिसिंग है उसकी जगह पर आर्टिफिशियल लिम्स भी लगाए जाते हैं. They are then able to live an almost normal life. और उन लिम्स की मदद से, आर्टिफिशियल लिम्स की मदद से those people can live an almost normal life. थोड़ी सी प्रॉब्लम होती है, but yes, they are able to carry on with their daily works. Find out more about artificial limbs from the internet. Children, this is for you to do. आप जाएंगे और इंटरनेट पे you will try and gather more information about these artificial limbs कि ये कहाँ बनाए जाते हैं, कैसे लगाए जाते हैं, पेशेंट्स को तकलीफ तो नहीं होती, which are the companies that produce these artificial limbs, right? So all that information you are going to gather from the internet. Clear? Now let's study how animals use their bodies. Look at the different animals in the picture. You can see that their bodies are different from ours. ये जो animals हैं, इनकी bodies human bodies से काफी different होती हैं, right? हम लोग कैसे चलते हैं? We walk on our legs and we use our hands to do certain things. But here you see these animals, they walk on all fours, right? चारों पैरों पर चलते हैं अपने. So their bodies are different from ours. Do you know how animals use different parts of their bodies? Animals कैसे अपने different parts of bodies को use करते हैं? Many animals like tigers, dogs, elephants and goats do not have hands. ज़्यादातर जो animals हैं उनके hands नहीं होते, right? They have 4 legs. उनकी चारों टांगे ही होती हैं, हाथ नहीं होते. They walk and run with their feet. The feet of animals like cow and goat are called hooves, right? So जो animals हैं, they walk on their 4 legs, right? और इनके जो ये walk and run जो ये करते हैं वो feet की मदद से करते हैं. And different animals have different kinds of feet. जैसे कि cow और goat के कभी आपने feet observe किए हो, वो थोड़े hard होते हैं, right? And they are known as hooves. What do we call their feet? Their feet are known as hooves. Hooves are hard. ये hard होते हैं. While आपने कुछ animals देखे होंगे like cats, leopards, tigers, उनके जो feet हैं वो बहुत soft होते हैं और उन्हें paws कहा जाता है, right? What are their feet called? Their feet are called paws. जैसे dogs हो गए, right? Cats हो गए, उन सब के feet hard नहीं होते, soft होते हैं, right? Fish have fins and tails instead of arms and legs. अब जैसे fishes हैं, उनके पास arms या legs होते ही नहीं हैं. So how do they move and carry about? They move with the help of their fins and tails, right? They swim with the help of their fins and tail. They don't need arms and legs like other animals do, right? Now there are certain birds and insects that use their wings. So birds and butterflies fly using their wings. वो अपनी wings की मदद से fly करते हैं. Cows and horses chase away insects with their tail. जैसे horses और cows, buffaloes को आपने देखा होगा. Since they don't have hands, तो अगर उनकी body पर कोई insect आकर उन्हें irritate करता है तो वो उसे कैसे हटाते हैं? उनके पास तो hands ही नहीं है. They use their tails to do this, right? अपनी tail से they chase away the insects. The elephant uses its trunk, जो उसकी सूंड होती है उसकी मदद से वो खाना अपने मुंह में डालता है. So elephant uses its trunk to put food into its mouth. When it is thirsty, it sucks up water through its trunk and blows it into its mouth, right? So उसकी trunk जो है वो help करती है, एक arm की तरह ले लीजिए, right? It is like an arm which helps the elephant to eat and drink. जब कुछ खाना होता है तो वो trunk से hold करके अपने मुंह में डालता है. And when he wants to drink water, the trunk, it sucks up the water and blows it into its mouth, right? So trunk plays a very important role in feeding the elephant. Now a small activity corner is there for you children. Let's look at the picture of the boy and the cow. Draw a line to join the words to the matching parts of the body. यहाँ कुछ body parts के name given है. We'll match them to the boy's body and to the cow's body and then answer these questions. So one has been already done for us. Let's find out. head, right? For the boy, this is the head and cow's head is this, right? Neck, this is the boy's neck and this is cow's neck. Nose, where is boy's nose? Here, this is the boy's nose. And where is the cow's nose? This part, right? This is cow's nose. Then eyes. These are boy's eyes and these are cow's. Ears. Let's match them to the boy's ears and cow's ears, right? Then tail. Does this boy have tail? No, humans don't have tail. Tail is there in animals only, right? So this tail is going to be a body part of cow only and not of this boy. Then we have fingers, right? Does this cow have fingers? No, only the boy has fingers, right? Hooves, ये जो hard feet होते हैं, क्या humans के होते हैं hard feet? No, these are hooves of the cow. Then horns, यानी सींग. सींग किसके पास है? Does this boy have horns? No, only the cow has horns. Here we cannot see them, but let's make them and match it. Right? Cows do have horns. Then legs, right? Legs. Yes, the boy also has legs and the cow also has legs. Feet. Feet is there only with the boy. The cow has hooves, right? So we have matched all these body parts to the to the body of the boy and the cow. Now, children, you have to list. That means you have to write down 4 parts of the body that both the cow and the boy have. ऐसे कौन से body parts हैं जो cow के पास भी हैं और boy के पास भी हैं? There are so many like head, neck, nose, eyes, ears, legs, right? These are all the body parts that both of them have in common. Next, you have to list the parts of the body which the cow has but the boy does not have. ऐसे कौन से body parts हैं? Yes, tail, hooves and horns. These body parts are not possessed by the boy. Then list the parts of the body which the boy has but the cow does not have. Which are they? They are feet, fingers, right? These body parts are there only with the boy. Clear, everyone? All these parts of the body? Very good. So I hope you've understood this chapter, right? About the parts of the body. Now let's begin with our exercise to check our understanding of the chapter, children. A part, complete the sentences, right? So elephants use their trunks too. Elephants अपनी trunks किस लिए use करते हैं? To put food into their mouth, right? To put food into their mouth. Clear? Then birds use their wings to fly. Very good. Fish use their tails to swim. And cows use their tails. Why do cows use their tails to? They use it to chase away the insects. Clear, everyone? Great. Let's move on to the next question. B part. Choose the correct option. We are given a few options here. We have to choose the correct ones. Number 1. We have dashed fingers in each hand. एक हाथ में हमारी कितनी fingers हैं? Yes, we have 5 fingers in each hand. So let's take 5. Number 2, we have dash arms. हमारे पास कितनी arms हैं? We have 2 arms. Right? Number 3, the feet of a tiger. कैसे होते हैं? What are they called? They are soft feet and they are known as paws. Right? Number 4, an elephant sucks up water through its, किस चीज से suck करता है? Through its trunk. Right. Here. Clear? Let's move to C part. Answer the following questions. First one says, name the external parts of the body. So I've already told you so many parts. Head, eyes, nose, lips, chest, abdomen, legs, arms. So all those parts that you can see from the outside are known as external parts of the body, right? So you can name a few of them. Number 2, what are limbs? Limbs क्या होते हैं बच्चों? Our arms and legs together are known as limbs. Number 3, how do our limbs help us? Limbs हमारी कैसे help करते हैं? Our limbs helps us to do various things like moving from one place to another, holding things and so on, right? Now you have to draw and label different parts of the arm. आप एक arm बनाएंगे, right hand बनाएंगे and you will label all the parts of the arm. Like this is the arm, elbow, wrist, fingers, hand, thumb, right? So all these parts of the arm you are going to draw and label, right? Number 5, what is the difference between hooves and paws? क्या difference है दोनों में? Yes, the hooves are hard while the paws are soft, right? And question number 6 is, how do fish swim? Fish कैसे swim करती हैं? Yes, they do it with the help of their fins and tails. Clear? Now, let's come to this fun time activity for you all. What you have to do, use a paper plate to make a face, right? Paper plates होती हैं घर पे, right? उसकी मदद से आप एक face बनाएंगे, eyes बनाएंगे, ears बनाएंगे, you will make a nose, mouth and wool अगर आपके घर में है, या फिर आप छोटे छोटे पेपर के pieces, thin strips काट कर उसके hair भी बना सकते हैं, right? So try doing that. Now try doing these actions. ये कुछ funny actions हैं, ये आप try कीजिए. Draw a flower with your mouth. आप try कीजिए कि अपने mouth से pencil पकड़कर आप flower बना सकते हैं या नहीं. So you will see that the flower you can draw with your hand the best, right? अपने हाथ से जैसा आप flower बना सकते हैं वो आप अपने मुंह से नहीं बना सकते. Clap with your feet. अपने feet से clap करने की कोशिश करें instead of your hands. Then try to stand on one leg. एक टांग पर खड़े होने की कोशिश कीजिए. आप ज़्यादा देर तक नहीं खड़े हो पाएंगे. Then pick up your pencil with your toes. Right? अपने toes से pencil उठाने की कोशिश करें and try to kick with your hands. तो बच्चों जब आप ये actions करेंगे, you will observe कि हर part जो है it is very rightly assigned the job it does, right? जो हाथ का काम है वो हाथ से ही किया जा सकता है, legs का काम leg से ही किया जा सकता है, right? So you will try, I request you to try all these activities and see for yourself. And children, the third activity says, do you know how to skip? Try and learn. It is fun and good exercise to do. क्या आपको skipping करनी आती है? आपके घर में skipping rope अगर नहीं है, request your parents to get you one और उसकी मदद से आप skipping करना सीखिए. It is a very healthy exercise and it is fun too, right? So children, with this, we come to an end of this chapter. I hope you have understood it well. I'll see you with the next chapter in my next video. Till then, children, you all stay blessed and keep smiling. Bye. Have a good day.